Are you having a hard time trying to figure it out how many times per week you should work out to keep yourself healthy? If the answer is yes, this video is for you. Hi everybody, my name is Belkys Barrios, and this channel I share fitness educational content by sharing tips, tricks, and ideas that will help you to build a sustainable, healthy lifestyle with a busy schedule. So on this video, I will be answering the question how many times per week I should work out with a busy schedule. I know that sometimes we are so busy in other things that we somehow neglect the fact that we need to move more. It can be very difficult to incorporate exercise into our very busy schedule, but we need to take into consideration that our health is super essential, and having some kind of physical activity in our week can be very beneficial for our mind and our body, and that's the most important thing. Health needs to be one of our priorities in life. If we're not healthy, we cannot function properly. So one of the factors is, what is your goal? What you're trying to aim with this workout session? Do you want to lose weight? Do you want to maintain your weight? Or you want to gain weight? You want to gain muscle mass? So by you defining which one is your goal can really give you some certain idea how you can structure your workout routine. Without you knowing what you want from your workout sessions, you really will be having a difficult time trying to incorporate the actions that you need to take to able to achieve your fitness goal. So determining which one is your goal. Once you have decided what do you want, what is your goal, it's time to really plan it out. As a busy person myself, for me sometimes it's very difficult to keep up with everything that I have to deliver. So what I normally do is make a plan, make it weekly schedule. If I know that I need to train 3 times per week, for me it's essential to see it in my calendar so I can remind myself that I have to do it. So what I normally do is every Sundays I sit down in my living room or in my office, I write down the days of the week that I don't have too much things going on my schedule, and I plan there 1 hour of workout sessions. That should be applied also for you. If you have so much things happening at the same time, sit down in advance before the week starts. Sit down and plan in ahead your week. By you knowing what is coming, what do you have to deliver, how much you have to deliver, that give you a lot of notion of how much you need to give to your workout sessions. If you only have 2 days on the week that you can train, that is perfect. Okay, so book your time in your calendar, and by booking your time in the calendar, really commit yourself to go to the gym and do your workout session. I always say you don't need to really spend hours in the gym to have a very effective workout session, but you just trying to start 30-45 minutes of exercise will be enough. Now that you have decided which days are more suitable for you to work out, it's time to dictate. My dog is here. Look. He wants attention. No. Let mama work. Ay, coño. Give me a moment. Now that you have decided which days of the week you can give to yourself, you can give yourself the time to go and work out, now it's time to define how many time you're going to be spending at the gym. And to be honest with you, you just only need from 30 minutes to 45 minutes at the gym. You don't need to spend hours at the gym to have an effective workout session. Start mentalizing yourself the fact that quality over quantity, that's super important. Just focus on compound movements and really trying to make your workout intentional. By you planning in advance the dates that you're going to be working out, that can be the perfect moment for you as well to plan your workout sessions. You need to incorporate just 3 to 4 compound movements to plan your workout sessions. So yes, don't frustrate yourself. Stop thinking that you need to spend hours in the gym, because that's not the thing. Also, you need to take into consideration that having some kind of physical activity does not apply that I need to go to the gym to be able to have it. You really don't need the gym if you don't want. If your goal is not gain like muscle, be like a bodybuilder and have ribs and abs and all those things, very full definition of bodybuilder, I really don't think you don't need the gym for it. You can do home workouts. You can watch a YouTube video and put some home workouts, some cardio sessions over there, or you can go for a long walk, you can go for bicycling, you can go for swimming. But the important thing here is that you move more. The essential of all this healthy lifestyle and trying to incorporate some movement, some physical activity in our busy schedule is that we move more. We spend hours and hours in this computer all the time, and sometimes we forget that we need to move. Humans are not meant to sit down for 8 hours in front of a computer. We're not meant to be. We are meant to be moving, interacting, being dynamic. And that's why it's important that you need to mentalize as well that you don't need the gym if you don't want. You don't need to go to the gym if you don't want to, but they just want you to move more. That's the thing. That's the key. Move more. And also not leaving aside that also a very good nutrition that can go with your exercise routine to get the best outcome of your fitness journey. So now that we have covered the goal, the planning, the execution of the exercise, now it's time to think about how you're going to structure your workout sessions. And how I mentioned before, quality over quantity. If you don't have enough time to able to do 2 hours, that I really don't recommend 2 hours of workout session, but if you don't have enough time for it, 40 to 30 minutes of workout session, try to incorporate compound movements. Where compound movements are exercises that target multiple muscles at the same time, and that will save you a lot of time, like the squat, like the bench press, bicep curl. All those compound movements you can incorporate into your workout sessions, so you can really build up some very good bases and as well save more time at the gym. So I think that's all that I have to share with all of you. I really hope that this video can give you an idea how you can start incorporating some exercise, some movement into your busy schedule and not neglect the fact that it's essential for us to move more. The important here is that avoid a sedentary life. So that's the mission of my channel. Bring for you fitness tips, tricks and ideas that will help you to build a sustainable, healthy lifestyle even though you have a busy schedule. That is possible. So if you like it, don't forget to watch this playlist over there, because in there I share some exercise routines that are very short, efficient and fast to do at the gym if you don't have no idea what to do at the gym. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your time. Beso a todos. Buen día, los quiero mucho. Adiós.